Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringing Out. Alright? If you are somebody who is working a full-time job, right? You're doing a 9-to-5 thing and you still want to earn some money, right? You want to make some extra money, or you want to start making enough money to leave your full-time job. You are watching the right video. All right, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. If you haven't heard of the LiveGood opportunity yet, you need to jump on it. All right, this opportunity is exploding right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single week, and the earning potential of this opportunity is incredible. All right, you can actually position yourself to be able to earn a little over $2,000 a month without having to recruit anybody or sell anything. All right, but that's on the super low end. But this is an opportunity that you can be a part of, right? That you can actually start earning while still working a 9-to-5 job. All right, getting straight to it, you need to take the LiveGood tour right now. It's just 5 minutes, right? Watch this 5-minute video and it could potentially change your financial future forever. I know that sounds like a damn commercial or something. You know, I'm a real person, but I know that sounds a little dramatic, but I'm being real. All right, so click that first link in the description, watch that video, and I am sure you're gonna want to jump on the LiveGood train.